Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's talk about procrastination today. Now, one of the most important challenges that we have once we have set goals, dreams in life is to do things as and when it is required. We'll have certain long term plans and goals which we may not see right now, but in the long term, we need to put in small and big efforts to achieving it. So, one of the challenges in this scenario that we have is to not procrastinate and do things on time as and when it is necessary. So, this is one of the challenges that most people face in life. So, I have also encountered that where your mind and your body doesn't fall together in place, that is where the challenge of achieving things or doing things on time becomes a problem for us. So, from the time we wake up in the morning till evening, we should have certain parts and components that are part of our daily schedule, which contributes to our current existence, also for our long-term planning, dreams, and goals as well. So, if you're not able to contribute enough and more time to each of these arenas which are important for you, then at the end of the day or after so many days, you will feel that you are not really making a progress in your life, or not that you are making a definite improvement from the personality that you have from day one to day two or day three. So, I would tell you that one of the inherent qualities in my personality is that I am able to do things on time. Like, I'm able to prioritize myself, and when my mind decides something, my body is ready to take it, and the coordination skill is somehow able to help myself achieve my goals. So that, I believe, is all about teaching your mind as to how to go about with that in life. So if you teach your mind that maybe I will decide something, but it's not very important, not that my body or my mind should implement it from day one or from the very next day, etc. You somehow teach yourself that it's not very important. Let's give it more time. Let's take it the slow way, etc., which doesn't really help you. Like, we are people who believe in New Year resolutions, but New Year resolutions never work because the tomorrow never comes. Whatever you want to implement it from the very day one. For example, if you have some sort of a goal which you have set with respect to exercising, going to the gym, or working out, implement it from day one. Don't tell your mind, or don't teach your mind that I will have this achieved, I will have done this before I go to exercise, or like I will meet all these conditions, only then I will go to the exercising part of the day, etc. That doesn't really work. From day one, from the very moment you have decided something, try to implement it so that you give your mind that sort of an understanding that what priorities you set are important to you, and that you cannot procrastinate and set it for another date. Also, it is important to have some sort of a schedule in life, especially in if you are preparing, and that will truly help you in your career as well, or your working phase or your job phase as well. When you're allocating specific time to specific things, for example, certain people would like to, for example, I wake up in the morning and the first thing I do is maybe yoga and meditation. That has been my habit for very, very long. So that has been my habit when I was preparing, or even till now when I am in the job. So that's really helping me form a schedule, which is not certainly seen in a lot many people, and it's really helping me bring discipline in life. Also, I've formed this habit of going to the gym in the evening, which is continued for like more than a year now, and that has continued me changing places, me changing my situations, me changing my environments and surroundings. This habit has not changed, really helps me. And also maybe eating on time is something which is very very absent and lacking in these days, because we binge eat a lot of things. We we eat a lot of processed foods because we don't have a fixed schedule of eating, and we eat whenever we get to, and when we see food we eat. We don't teach our body and mind that there is a fixed time, or there is a habit that you can inculcate, and that there is a healthy food that you need to eat, etc. So but then if you form a habit of eating on time, like on specific timings, which is helpful to your body, and eat quality food, that creates a tremendous increase in your quality of life. So likewise, there are small and big things which form very important part of your life, and you need to understand how each of these aspects is going to transform your impression of your own self in the long term. It's all about the confidence and the will and the realization of your importance of your own personality that happens in the long term. So like these are certain things which has really helped me, and I hope that really resonates with you and helps you in your journey as well. Also, do let me know if you like this kind of videos, and want to know more about the way I lead a disciplined life, or I help myself mold my personality in a way that it helps me as well as my career. So I hope you are doing great. So once again, whatever I talked about today is part of my book Defeat Discoveries. There are chapters which talk about discipline and stopping to procrastinate, because in long term it has very negative consequences if you continue to do that way. So I will add the link of the book in the description box. I really hope that the book helps you to make good choices in life, and will guide you throughout the tough decisions that you make in life. So that's all for the day. Until the next video, it's a goodbye from me. Thank you so much.